Hi everyone, I'm Karen.
And I'm Pauline, and welcome to our channel. And thank you for all the subscribers. Today we're unboxing this.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel, and today we are going to be unboxing our new power system.
Yeah, hello to all our subscribers. We've purchased
An Ecoflow.
yes, so we're pretty pumped because this is the first time we're going to have power in our van. So we're pretty rapt about that. So Karen, I've been dying to get in and see how it all is. So we unbox it out.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
You hold the basket. Yeah. Well, as you can see, it's packaged really well. The box, well, it actually got delivered. I've just seen the notes from the Dangerous Goods declaration form, and it actually came from Macquarie Park in New South Wales. So probably they're the distributors for Ecoflow here in Australia, but you can see the box has arrived in really good shape.
Yeah.
Does it got a weight on it? Yeah, net weight 7.7 kilograms. So I think it might have been suctioned into the.
Suctioned in.
Yeah. All right. So yeah. So while Karen's unboxing it, I'll give you a bit of a. We've purchased an Ecoflow River Pro and the 160 watt solar panel. we paid $1,498, so it's $1,500 for the kit today.
It was on a special, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was on a special, so we waited till the end of the financial year. So just before you go too much further, Karen, I'll show you, just bring you a little bit closer and just show the packagings in the box. Have we got that?
It's on there now.
Yep.
It's off now. Oh yeah.
And so you can see it's
really well packaged. Yeah.
Maybe that's.
Not sure how we're going to get it out, but
Yeah.
might need to cut the box.
So that's the instructions on top.
Oh,
So that's the cables.
There you go.
Cable and yeah.
Yep.
Quick start guide. Before we fire it up, I'll read all the instructions to make sure that we're probably doing the right thing.
Oh, well, there you go. There it is. Oh.
And a nice handle to lift it out. Put it under.
Oh well. Oh well, then look at this.
Yeah.
It's got a couple of power points there.
Yeah. A couple of power
Glad
points.
it's the Aussie.
Yeah, well.
The Aussie way.
Yeah. And I think that's where the solar panels click into there.
Yeah.
We'll go
Press
through.
to turn power on and off.
Yeah. We'll, I might read the instructions before we fire it up in case there's a special way we've got to start her up before for its first time or whatever, but I might read the instructions and then we'll come right back. But in the meantime, we might unbox the solar panel.
That's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, the solar panel, yeah.
I'll just pop this over here.
Yeah. And we'll read that. Now that's it's the Ecoflow solar panel, if I haven't already said. and it's 160 watts, so it's quite a good beefy. The weight of it says on the box here of 8.1 kilograms.
So it's quite heavy too, really.
Yeah. I think it'll maybe just keep the ones. So it's got a box.
Maybe you might need to pop it on the ground. Or just tip it up on.
Yeah. Excellent. Boxes.
Lay down.
So once again, it's coming.
Pretty good packaging.
Yeah, packaging. Very good,
No
solid.
dent. Oh, there's a bit of a dent, but
Yeah, there's a little bit of a dent in the box, but I don't think that went through
no.
to
No,
this
of
box.
course
So, as you can see,
Nice cover.
yeah. So,
Shall we open it?
yeah, why not? We'll open it. I'll just put it back down. So it's got a good case.
Yeah, it has.
Right there. So where's yours go? Does yours go? Oh, no, it opens right up like that. Ah,
Gee, it's nice little.
yes. Material back to it.
Yeah.
Ah. The case. Oh, no. Let's just open it that way. So I can show you.
Wow. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. So it's flexible, but it's solid.
Yeah.
That's terminology. And we'll show how this is all set up, but we haven't got a very good solid A today, probably. Okay, so I've had a quick read of the instructions, but I unpacked the little pack or the quick guide pack that came with the Ecoflow, and they've provided a few cables. So they've done just a car charging cable, which is really good if we want to charge it driving along and plug into like a cigarette lighter socket. It also came with a cable for solar hookup, so it's like an extra bit of a cable that we hook onto the solar panel and then straight into the Ecoflow, or into the Eco Pro, I want to call it. And also there's a cable for 240 volt charging straight into the main power to charge it also. And in the notes it just tells us roughly how to use the product and how to use the product. The instructions are really easy to read. So yeah, that's a good win for them too. You know, like the manual is really explains it quite well. It comes with a 24-month warranty, which is fantastic, and where to contact and how to register. So we'll be definitely doing that. It came with this cable as well. Not really sure what it's for, but I guess we'll find out. It might be charging some devices. It's got that type of that type of product really. So that was virtually all in the in that kit to charge it. So the reason why we went for the Ecoflow compared to the Blue Eddy is that this product comes also with another battery. So if we find this isn't big enough, we can link another battery to this one. And I do believe that Ecoflow is the only one in the market that's doing that at the moment. We haven't got a great choice of products here in Australia, but the Blue Eddy has proven itself. But we had such a good feedback on the Ecoflow that, we wanted to give it a go. We don't want to put a lot of money into standalone electrics in the van. We're not. It's just so overwhelming. Whereas I think this might meet most of our needs. Can quickly plug in USBs into the ports. Also got a C port as well. Comes with a light. Also, we can plug probably the fridge into this socket here. So we'll give that a go. And everything's got its own little switch, switch for each use. So you're almost switching one thing on and then switching it off and then switching another on. So I reckon that's a really great feature. But look, there is so much info out there on the YouTube. I suggest probably research them. I mean, I'm not great with stats and figures and amps and all that. I just want the product to work, and basically I think that's probably all anyone wants to do. So if you want to research more, go right ahead, because there's so much info out there, and I've watched a lot of it, and that's what made my mind up that this is the product for us, until we work out, if we're gonna what our power needs are off the grid. We're pretty much going to be off the grid. We both enjoy being off the grid, so this might be a good product to start with. And it's remote, so we can carry it wherever we go. So we decide to do some camping, we can take it with us. It's just flexibility is endless. I don't think there was anything else, but I am gonna plug it in because I want to know, the reason why we bought it was it goes from 0 to 80% in an hour. How awesome is that? So I'm going to go and plug it in and we'll test that theory. Be right back. So you can see I just turned it on for transit. They've charged it to 31%. So it shouldn't take too long to charge it to 100% now. They're saying the hours we've got is 99. I'm not sure. I have to read into what that's about, but I can tell the battery's at 31%, so I'll just plug her in we'll see how she goes on the charging. Okay, so I'll just turn the power on. That's it on. And you can sort of see it's charging it there. And 300 and 400, between 3 and 400 input watts been put into the unit. And look who's joined us. Griffy, hello. Okay, so we've hit the 20-minute mark and we'll see where we're up to. 77%. So that's at the 20-25 minute mark and we're already at 77%. It's not bad. Probably 3/4 of an hour and we'll hit 80%. Yeah, super fast. Well, it's here, I'll turn the light on. Look at that. Right. And we'll test it out in our, with our fridge plugged in. I mean, we've only got a cigarette lighter one, so we'll plug it into that and see how it goes. Okay, so that's probably just on 45 minutes, 100%. Not bad. That's mains power. Pretty happy. Hello, Griffy.
What you doing, Griff?
Hey, having a good sniff around, isn't he? It's the first time he's been in the van.
Oh. Hello, Griff.
Sit down next to him.